Microsoft Copilot is, in essence, a digital assistant. It's an AI assistant which is there for you, which sits in the various different workloads and applications of Microsoft 365 to help you be more productive and to help you achieve more. Microsoft's mission statement is to empower everyone on the planet to achieve more. And a key part of our AI solutions, and especially with Copilot, is really to enable our customers to be able to drive better business impact, to move with more speed, more agility, and to hopefully save time. One of the key aspects which I think I've been able to achieve in using Copilot for the past year or so is the time saving opportunities in using a digital assistant like Microsoft Copilot. It's really helped me save time, which I can then reallocate to do other important work for my Microsoft business clients. It helps me prioritize my work, helps me be more efficient. Remember that Copilot is a Gen AI tool, right? It's not specific to the law or to the legal industry. It's more general in nature. That said, even though it is general in nature, there is no doubt there's, I think, a wide variety of legal use cases where you can use Copilot to be able to help you deliver even better services to your clients, right? And I find that as I use Copilot more and more, just like any technology, the more you get accustomed to using it and you use it more and more, you uncover additional possibilities and more deeper legal use cases for it, right? There are some similarities, no doubt, between Copilot and ChatGPT. However, one of the big differences is that when you look at Copilot, you've got a version which is more work related, and then you've got one which is more web based. But the beauty of Copilot is Copilot can take advantage of the information and data which is native within the ways you're working within Microsoft. So the great thing about Copilot is when you use Copilot, you activate it. It's using the foundational AI models. It's also working with the World Wide Web, if you will. But then it's looking at your data, what's in your OneDrive, what's in your emails, what's in your schedule, your calendars, right? It's looking at all of that. So ChatGPT doesn't do that for you. Copilot
Right.
does that for you. So it's more of a, what I would say, more bespoke, customized sort of work experience where you can then take better, fuller, more fulsome advantage of Microsoft Copilot.